Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed Fazuddin. I'm studying creative computing and I'm in year 2. Today I'll be presenting my project called Quizmaster. This is an interactive quiz application built in Python using Tkinter GUI framework. The application fetches real-time trivia questions from Open Trivia Database API, includes animation and follow a structure and object-oriented design. The goal of the project was to combine GUI design, API integration, animation, and game logic into a single polished application. So, what are the technologies used? The main technologies used in this project are Tkinter, Requests, and Pillow. Tkinter is used to create the graphical interface and managing events. The request library is used to fetch questions from OpenTDB API. The HTML module is used to decode encoded characters in quiz question, and random modules are used in shuffle answer options. Finally, Pillow is used to load and resize background images for better visual presentation. The Trivia API class is responsible for handling all communications with the Trivia database. It contains a method called getQuestions, which accepts parameters such as the number of questions, difficulty level, and category. These parameters are dynamically added to API requests, allowing the quiz to be customized by the user. The method also includes error handling. If API request fails due to network issue or invalid responses, the method returns none, which prevents the application from crashing. One of the most unique features of this application is the animated canvas class. This class extends Tkinter's canvas widget and creates a moving neon scanline effect. The animation is implemented using Tkinter's after function, which allows repeated execution without freezing the interface. This design ensures that animations run smoothly alongside user interaction, which is critical for the responsive GUI. The Trivia app class acts as the main controller of the entire application. It initializes the main window, loads the background image, and sets up shared game state variables such as score, current question index, and question list. Instead of creating and destroying windows, all pages are initialized and stored in a dictionary. Navigation between pages is handled using the tk-raise function method, which brings the required page to the front. Application consists of 5 pages: welcome page, rule page, start page, quiz page, and result page. Each page is implemented as a separate class that inherits from Tkinter's frame widget. This modular design improves readability, maintainability, and scalability. Buttons on each page trigger navigation by calling the main controller's showFrame method. The start page allows the user to configure the quiz by selecting difficulty, category, and number of questions. Input validation is performed to ensure the number of questions is between 1 and 50. This prevents invalid API requests and improves user experience. Once validated, the selected options are sent in the Trivia API and quiz session is initialized. The quiz page is core of the application. Each application is displayed using typewriter animation, which improves engagement and readability. Answer options are randomized to avoid predictable patterns. When user submits an answer, the application checks correctness, updates the score, and moves to the next question. This loop continues until the questions are completed. And finally, the result page displays the final score and allow the user to restart the quiz. Restarting resets the game state and returns the user to welcome screen. Thank you.